Coming to you live from the RVA versus DMV showdown. We here with Quentin and Ross. I just want to get your reactions from the game because you guys traveled today. So, I mean, just coming out roughing these guys up for the win, how does it feel?
It's all part of the game to me. I mean, like we practice day in, day out for this. You know, we all work hard. You know, determine who won the more. You know, that's all I've been taught. You know, the harder you work, the more you get at. You know, so it was real fun to me.
It was a real fun game, good competition. Both teams played hard, no fighting, no everything. It was a good game. I'd like to do it again.
Let me say this. At the beginning of the game, I didn't know what to expect really because, you know, it's kind of like an all-star feel to it. Like, you know, people don't really come out and play hard in the all-star games. But y'all came out full force, just ready to go. So, I mean, just talk about that mentality. Did you guys come out with that, or was that just something when the game started, it's on?
All I'm saying is 2 hours. That's a long drive, but just sitting, you know, all the way for a game, 2 hours, I come out hungry. So, I mean, fully energized, ready to play, man. I mean, I expect them to bring it. They brought it. You know, we just brought it hard.
I mean, it was an all-star game, but we still was looking to win the whole time. We representing Richmond, so we wanted to represent it right. So we came out. We wanted to come out from the gate playing hard. I didn't know if they was playing around or whatever to start it, but we was coming out to win.
So just take me through the fourth quarter because that's when the game started to kind of get close. Corey Allman kind of caught fire and whatnot. So what was the mentality that you guys took on from that point on? Was it, let's just get through this game, we're going to fight through this, we're going to win?
Just continue to do what we're doing. Play smart D, talk, you know, move your feet on defense. I mean, that's our main goal of the whole game. Play defense, talk on, you know. You got to be quick in this game. Can't be no slouch, you know, can't get caught slipping.
I mean, every team makes a run. We made our run early, they made it late, but he did heat up, but we stayed to the game plan, we got the win.
All right, well, congratulations on your win, guys. I don't know, maybe we can get you guys back down here. Maybe we can come up there for a rematch sometime soon.
Yeah, that'll work.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, we coming to you live from the RVA versus DMV showdown with the two commissioners. First, guys, I just want to get your initial thoughts on the game. Let's start with you.
It was a tough game. You know, I got a lot of respect for those guys, like L Train, and, you know, they fought out to the end. We fought out too. Y'all had us for a few seconds, though. I mean, it's all good. We'll do it again.
You seem a little salty right here, so let's go to you.
They came out to play. We didn't. Let's say point blank.
That's all you have to say?
That's all I'm have to say.
All right, so
It was waiting for Shaq.
so going forward, what are you guys looking to do? Can we talk about a rematch maybe in the near future?
Hopefully.
I'm thinking annual. I'm with it.
I'm with it.
All right, there you have it. Annual rematch. It's coming.